I'm Tracy from Black Hills Woman magazine, and I'm here with Dr. Eric Kuyper talking about the toxic home. So now in our last issue of the magazine, you talk about the toxic home and how it impacts people's health. Tell me, what kinds of health problems do you see as a result of toxicity?
Well, it can cause many illnesses. The most common ones we see is usually like asthma. Might see some fibromyalgia because of toxicity in the muscles. It can cause rashes, headaches, blurred vision. But it can cause anything, but those are the major ones we're seeing.
And what kinds of things can you do?
Well, there's lots of things you can do. Some of the easier things that you can do at home on your own is drinking plenty of purified water, eating good fruits and vegetables that will help pull the toxins out. If it's a more severe case where we need to see in the office, there's dietary cleanses that we can do. There's foot baths. And there's plenty of other things we can do, but those are the main things we focus on.
And you also recommend just avoiding toxins where you can as well.
Exactly. The food additives like MSG, artificial sweeteners, food additives and colorings, the cleaning supplies we use in our house are important to avoid because there's lots of chemicals and poisons in them. You also got to look at the perfumes and the detergents we use. I tell people go to the store and look for chemical-free versions of that, and that will help a lot. Again, good, cost-effective way to detoxify yourself without having to go to the doctor.
Perfect. So tell me about the foot baths. I see we have a lady over here that's doing the foot baths.
Yep. We're doing a foot bath there. What they do is it's kind of a superficial cleanse per se, as I tell people. The dietary cleanses I just talked about earlier are more of a deep internal cleanse, whereas the foot bath there just helps pull some of the lighter toxins out, helps take some of the pressure off the liver and the kidneys.
And it does this through ionic charges?
Yep. What it does is we put some tap water in a bucket there. We put a little bit of salt in to cause concentration gradient and put an array in there that sends ionic charges into the water. And what it does is it pulls charged particles out. All the chemicals and things that we deal with in our body and the poisons have charges to them. So that's how it pulls them out, kind of like a magnet attracting the poisons to the
perfect
center.
All right. Well, thank you for all your great advice today. If you want to know more about toxic home, you can check it out in the latest issue of Black Hills Woman magazine. Thanks for your time.
Thank you very much.